Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, no nails at all. I decided to buy a mystery box off eBay. I know this was sort of a trend about a year or so ago, but I've always been quite curious and I love the element of surprise. So I chose one on eBay. It was quite hard picking a particular one. The one I got cost £9.50. I wanted to go for one that had sort of a good variety of items. A lot of them are sort of beauty related or electronics related, games related, toys related. This particular one that I chose sort of has a good mixture. You've got books, cosmetics, household stuff, electronics, toys, clothing. It's kind of like a family friendly box. It's got a bit of all sorts in there for everybody. And I thought by getting the mixture you're sort of more likely to get anything really. I wanted a true surprise, not having a single clue what I was going to get. So the first item I got was a computer earphone with a microphone built into it. I thought this was kind of funny because I literally just purchased a microphone only a couple of days before. I'm not really too sure if it's for recording and such. It might be more sort of like a gamer's microphone type thing, since it's got the earpiece on it as well. I'm not too sure. I'll have to give it a go and see exactly how it works. But it's got a really nice long lead on it and it looks like it could be really useful maybe. I'll let you know if I ever do decide to start using it for my videos and see what you guys think. I should really get around to testing this because I might actually find that it's better than my current microphone. But yeah, I've done some research on eBay and one ended at £1.89, so it's probably more sort of a Poundland item, but hopefully it'll be good. I'll have to give it a test. So the next thing I pulled out of the box was a student cookbook. This is a very sweet little book. It's ideal for a student. You know, you leave home, you go off to university. In most cases you've had your mum or your dad cooking your dinners for you over the years, and this book has very simple recipes. For me personally, I've worked in quite a few kitchens over the years, so pretty much most things in this book I already know how to cook. There's a few things that I'd quite like to try from it, see how their take is from it. Chocolate fudge brownies, their smoothies. I'm curious about their sticky chicken with noodles, just see how they've done it, what sort of flavours will be coming from their recipes. So yeah, I'll definitely give this one a go. This really sweet little book has a little stand on the back and everything to stand it up in the kitchen, and it's really sweet. One thing I'm really curious about is a fruity tuna sandwich. I've never heard of this before in my life and it sounds really weird. It sort of makes me think about like a Jamaican's fish tea where they sort of put fish and bananas into like a stew kind of thing. It's ever so weird. I just don't really put fish and fruit together. So let me know if that's any good and I'll give it a go. But anyways, this book on the back is priced at £7.99 RIB. So I'm pretty happy. I feel like I've got my money's worth already and I've still got 8 more items to look at. The next item was a chalkboard sticker. I've never heard of anything like this before in my life. This was probably the item that intrigued me the most out of this box because I was completely unsure as to what it could possibly be. Turns out it was a gigantic sticker of a light bulb that sort of acts like a chalkboard. It comes with 2 sticks of chalk and 2 very weird rubber things that are more just like plasticky foam. I tried looking up this item on Google and I couldn't actually find it. I'd probably guess so on average sort of price it probably costs around £5. Next item was a 3 to 6 months baby girl romper. I don't actually know anybody that's having a baby. I'm not planning on having a baby anytime soon, so this is kind of a little bit on the pointless side for me. It's kind of cute. I'll probably give it away to a charity shop. I did look it up on eBay to see its worth, and there are some that have been sort of up for sale for around £7.99, so it's quite an expensive romper to be honest, considering it's not really got much of a design, and I did like the packaging. It sort of reminded me of a milk carton. All in all, it does look a bit cheap though, so maybe that's why I got it in the mystery box. It's just a little bit on the pricey side. Next thing was a bubble stick. It's not worth a lot, probably only a quid or two, but I couldn't complain about this. I have a 2-year-old son, so at the moment bubbles are like one of the best things in the world to him. Next item was this hair mask. I don't normally put any products in my hair, simply just shampoo, conditioner, pretty boring like that, but I have given this a go since I've done the mystery box filming, and I do actually quite like the product. I'm getting through it quite quickly, but it is definitely making my hair feel a bit softer and nicer. It smells really good as well. It's actually persuaded me into buying more hair masks in the future. I do like how it feels in my hair. I did manage to find this product on Amazon and it is worth £2.99, so not bad at all. I've definitely got my money's worth out of this box so far. I think I've probably about doubled. Next was this book called A Time Traveller's Field Notes and Observations of Ancient Egypt by H. Gray. I'm not really much of a reader, but this book is in really good condition. It's got a really cute little holographic thing on the front of it. It's very informative. It's got a bit of history into it. I'll probably end up backing this one back up on eBay at some point. It is worth RIP 12.99, so this one item alone is worth more than what I paid for the mystery box. I'm happy. Next item was these new arrival photo card thingies. Like I said before, I don't actually know anyone that's having a baby at the moment, I don't think, and they're no good to me at all. I'll probably just give them away to charity shop with the baby girl bumper. I tried looking these up on the website. I managed to find the actual website, but I couldn't find the photo cards. But I'm sort of probably going to guesstimate them at probably around 2 to 3 quid. Then I got this really humongous bright orange t-shirt. It's like a football shirt. Not into football. It's massively too big. Orange is a horrible colour on me, and it probably works as a pyjama top. So I probably just wear it as like a comfy pyjama top if I haven't got anything else clean. Never ending washing with a 2-year-old. I think it's probably, I couldn't find the actual product online, but I think it is probably worth about a tenner maybe. But yeah, we all appreciate a good comfy oversized t-shirt for bed, so I suppose it's perfect for that. Obviously not something I'd ever normally buy, but I'll definitely make some use out of it. Next I got this cute little canvas tote bag. It's not something I'd never normally buy myself, I've already got tons of bags anyway. I have actually found a use for this one. It has become my new sock bag. As we all know, we all seem to lose a million socks. They never seem to show up ever again. You just end up with loads of completely odd socks, especially when you've got children who just seem to take off their socks here, there and everywhere, and you just never see them ever again. So I tried to find this bag online. I actually found a company that I think is the right company with a very similar looking bag for £8.50, so I'm pretty happy with that. In general, I'm actually really happy with everything I got. I definitely got my money's worth, that's for sure. That was my only concern. I wasn't really too fussed about what I bought, as long as I've got my money's worth. It hasn't put me off. I'm definitely going to be buying another one in the future. I love the element of surprise. It's been really fun doing this video, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, I enjoyed making it, and I will do more in the future for sure. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.